Julie will not move, so my niece have to get next to her for her to walk away because she's telling me she ain't moving. Now she go move. Now she moves. Now she moves. Because she's the hard-head one. We call her Julie. Hey, baby. Hey, Julie. My niece is opening up the gate so that we can come through. We need to get a little bit more manure. So that's what we're doing. I like to blow the horn because sometimes they won't move over. Here she goes right here. There we go.
Well, at least some of them are moving.
I know, okay. Good morning. We're going to get some manure. Good morning. So the pasture is so big we can just drive through it except for walking through it. Don't make any sense. It's too early in the morning. A little bit more in that one. Alrighty. And I'll pick that one up.
Well, it's more so of getting one that isn't running.
She wants to pick up
I want to pick up one of them.
one of the chickens. So she just finished feeding them. She's just finished feeding. That's a rooster here. That's a rooster. Be careful.
What is he going to do?
He'll peck you. He'll jump up in you and peck the hell out of you. You can try to look. He's looking at that other rooster because the other rooster telling him what to do. See how he guarding it? Hey guys, it's been such an amazing morning. I've been here with my niece. We've been having a great time. We didn't get the picture with her picking up the chickens, but the rooster was upset. He told her to put his woman down. But now we just picked up some eggs, and we got some manure, and we're headed back to the house. I'm so happy she's here with me. Here she goes. She got the chicken eggs, and we're on our way back. We've been here for a little while, talking with the animals. And so we're about to go. But before I let you go, you got to stay amazing. Bye, guys.